The Budget 24 has several proposals which may be of interest to the common man as well as various industries. The key changes which may be of interest to the common man pertain to change in customs duty on gold. A benefit of this will, of course, complete removal of the incentive to smuggle gold from the Middle East and elsewhere. We also notice that within a day, the gold in India is already cheaper by rupees 6,000 to 7,000 per 10 grams. The other change, which would impact everyone, is reduced duty on mobile phones. This will make the mobile phones cheaper, though some say that it may impact the booming exports and production of mobile phones from India. The other part of this argument is that Indian manufacturing of mobile phones has become quite competitive and can compete with China. Also, it seems to be driven by our obligations in the WTO. There are several other proposals which aim to make it cheaper to import some critical medicines. Let us have a look at some of these proposals. Please also tell us, what do you think of these? How do they affect your business? Please do leave a short message in the comments section. Medicines and medical equipment. To provide relief to cancer patients, 3 more medicines have been fully exempted from customs duties. Changes in the basic customs duty on X-ray tubes and flat panel detectors for use in medical X-ray machines under the phased manufacturing program have been proposed. Mobile phone and related parts. It has been proposed to reduce the BCD on mobile phone, mobile PCBA, and mobile charger to 15%. Critical minerals. Minerals such as lithium, copper, cobalt, and rare earth elements are critical for sectors like nuclear energy, renewable energy, space, defense, telecommunications, and high-tech electronics. It has been proposed to fully exempt customs duty on 25 critical minerals and reduce BCD on 2 of them. Solar energy. To support energy transition in the fight against climate change, it has been proposed to expand the list of exempted capital goods for use in the manufacture of solar cells and panels in the country. Further, in view of scientific domestic manufacturing capacity of solar glass and tinned copper interconnect, proposal has been made to not extend the exemption of customs duties provided to them. Marine products. It has been proposed to reduce PCD on certain broodstock polychaete worms, shrimp, and fish feed to 5%. Also, proposal has been made to exempt customs duty on various inputs for manufacture of shrimp and fish feed, leather and textile. To enhance the competitiveness of exports in the leather and textile sectors, BCD on real down filling material from duck or goose has been proposed to be reduced. Also, additions to the list of exempted goods have been made for manufacture of leather and textile garments, footwear, and other leather articles for export. To rectify inversion in duty, proposal has been made to reduce BCD on methylene diphenyl diisocyanate MDI for manufacture of spandex yarn from 7.5 to 5%. Furthermore, the export duty structure on raw hides, skins, and leather is proposed to be simplified and rationalized. Precious metals. To enhance domestic value addition in gold and precious metal jewelry in the country, proposal has been made to reduce customs duties on gold and silver to 6% and that on platinum to 6.4%. Other metals. Steel and copper are important raw materials. To reduce their cost of production, it has been proposed to remove the BCD on ferro-nickel and blister copper. Also, nickel BCD on ferrous scrap and nickel cathode and concessional BCD of 2.5% BON copper scrap has been kept unchanged. Electronics. Proposal has been made to remove the BCD on oxygen-free copper for manufacture of resistors and to exempt certain parts for manufacture of connectors. Chemicals and petrochemicals. To support existing and new capacities in the pipeline, it has been proposed to increase the BCD on ammonium nitrate from 7.5 to 10%. Plastics. PVC flex banners are non-biodegradable and hazardous for environment and health. To curb their imports, it has been proposed to raise the BCD on them from 10 to 25%. Telecommunication equipment. To incentivize domestic manufacturing, proposal has been made to increase the BCD from 10 to 15% on PCBA of specified telecom equipment. Trade facilitation. To promote domestic aviation and boat and ship MRO, proposal has been made to extend the period for export of goods imported for repairs from 6 months to 1 year, as also to extend the time limit for re-import of goods for repairs under warranty from 3 to 5 years. Thank you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel to stay updated with our latest content.